This is attestation, international poets, in Arabic, nicknamed the poets of the king. Mustafa Slimar, je loue le roi pour plaire à Dieu. Louons le roi, je soutiens le choix divin, choix qui est toujours fin des fins. Happy birthday to you, princess. Casablanca analyst, 2008. This is a letter from His Majesty. I am so glad to be in Rabat with my production. I hope to be all over the world, not only in the kingdom, because I'm able to do, I have faculty to go. Thanks to Allah. I'm not doing these things in order to get some an earthly end. No, because spiritual end from Allah. Allah is helping me to praise His Majesty, because it is Allah who has given sovereignty to this great king, from great kings, from great poets, the best poets in the earth and in the existence. The dynasty is coming from the Prophet Muhammad, the Prophet of mercy, the Prophet of humanity and of goodness. We thank Him. Thank God who has given us this faculty and this ability to do these things for serving the kingdom. Yeah. This is our food. So glad. Yeah. I thank you a lot. Allah who has given me the faculty to write about this great dynasty. This is in Akhut, the enemy to the accomplishments of great king.